southeastern Howard County in central Maryland until 7:30 p.m. At 6:54 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated severe thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes along a line extending from Laurel to 5 miles southeast of Laurel, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Arundel, Fort Meade, Elk Ridge, Severn, Millersville. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If outdoors or in a mobile home or vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch in effect until midnight tonight. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood watch for portions of Maryland, the District of Columbia, Virginia, and northeast West Virginia, including the following areas: in Maryland, Carroll, central and eastern Allegheny, extreme western Allegheny, Frederick, Maryland, Hartford, Howard, Montgomery, northern Baltimore, Prince George's,